We're tinkering in the backyard now, doing what we can between indoor projects. And we're going to remove some plants that are a bit ordinary. I'm starting off with a shrubbery. It's got an annoying spiky as hell fern or palm tree thing that has very sharp pokey bits. And also has an equally spiky cactus behind it, so it's got to go. I start off having removed all the branches with a reciprocating saw, and I'm left with the stump, so I thought I'd drill a hole through it and get a chain wrapped around it to yank it out. Yeah, that didn't really work, and the chain wasn't really thick enough. So I ended up just using the jack to shove it around and hopefully up and out of the hole. We don't really know what we're going to put in their place and haven't done a plan for the landscaping, but the backyard needs a bit of maintenance, and who knows, I might end up getting carried away and remove everything. Then eventually I just used some bricks, a metal pry bar and the jack to reef it out of the ground, gradually adding bricks to the jack as it lifted up. Was the previous owners who planted this garbage tree just planted it on top of the concrete, so the thing was nutrient deprived and the whole thing was basically just roots, so not much soil at all, but this thing was super satisfying to remove. The next backyard task is 3 massive smelly fig trees. That will be fun.